syndicate.
Ano?
Yung babala nyo po sa mga drug syndicate na hindi tumitigil sa kanilang ano.
Hindi ako bahala kayo sa ginagawa niyo. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang kami. Aabutan din namin kayo. Maliit lang ang Pilipinas.
You, as a lawyer, know
Yes.
better than any of us how important this principle of innocent until proved
Well,
guilty is.
Look, Padilla said 2 years ago, there are 3 million addicts in this country. That was the last figure. Nobody cared to find out. Now it's my time. So, 2 years ago, between 2 years ago and now, how many do you think were hooked into drugs? Let us give it incremental increase of about, just be liberal about 700,000. So 3,700,000. And the confirmed 600,000 now was surrendered and took the test for drug addiction. How do you call it? Just a problem? Is just a police problem? Or is it really a crisis for this country? It's not even epidemic.